Good morning, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca with the Equity Management Academy live trading room. This segment is sponsored by EMA to Trade Live Signals. This is the VC Price Momentum Indicator, Gold and Silver Weekly Futures Swing Trading Instructions for August 8, 2015. Gold. The trend momentum is 1146. It's bearish. The price momentum is 1091. It's bullish. The recommendation to exit longs is at 1101 to 1110 for December gold. And the level to exit shorts or reverse to go long is 1082 to 1072 as we come into this week. This is the summary. The December gold futures contract closed at 1091 with the market closing below the 9-day moving average of 1146 is confirmation that the weekly trend momentum is slightly bearish, but a close above 1146, which is the 9-day weekly moving average, would negate the weekly bearish short-term trend to neutral. The weekly momentum indicator is telling us that with the market closing above the VC weekly price momentum indicator of 1091, it confirms that the price momentum is bullish. But it also tells you that a close below the VC weekly, it would trigger the weekly stops and negate the bullish signal to neutral. The weekly momentum indicator is the mean of the week or the pivot point of the week. That if the market closes above 1091, it's bullish and it activates basically the stops of sell 1 and sell 2 levels, which is recommended to take profits. The weekly price indicator, it's telling you to take profits on any shorts on corrections at the 1082 to 1072 level and to go long on a weekly reversal stop. And if you get long, to use the 1072 level as your stop. Close only and go to cancel order. And crossing 1091, it's telling you to take profits as long as we reach the sell 1 and sell 2 levels of 1101 to 1110 as we come into this week. The silver, the trend momentum for September silver is 1534. It's slightly bearish as the market closed below there. The price momentum is at 1471. It's bullish because the price closed above the price momentum, which is the mean or the pivot for the week, even as a bullish indication as we came into this week from Friday's close. And it told us very clearly that to exit the longs at 1506 to 1534. And if the market was to come down to the below 1471, cover your shorts at 1442 to 1407. The weekly summary is telling us that the weekly moving average, the September futures contract closed at 1476 on Friday, with the market closing below the 9-day moving average of 1534, is confirmation that the weekly trend still, the momentum is still bearish. But a close above 1534 would negate the weekly bearish short-term trend to neutral. With the market closing above the VC weekly price momentum indicator of 1471, which is the pivot point for the week or the mean for the week, it confirms that the price momentum is bullish. But it also tells you that if we close below the VC weekly, it would trigger weekly stops and negate the bullish signal to neutral. At which point, look to take profits on any shorts into corrections at the buy 1 and 2 levels of 1442 to 1407 and then go long on a weekly reversal stop. If you get long, use the 1426 as your stop loss only and go till cancel order. And closing above the 1471 actually told us to look to take profits as long as we reach the sell 1 and sell 2 levels of 1506 to 1534 during the week. The information in the market commentaries was obtained from sources believed to be reliable, but we do not guarantee its accuracy. Neither the information nor any opinion expressed herein constitutes a solicitation of the purchase or sale of any futures or options contracts.